guys, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk about the Fujifilm X100V. The X100V is the perfect all-around camera for everyday photographers. Personally, I use it mainly for street photography. I think it's the perfect camera for street photography. The lens is fixed on the camera, so you can't necessarily choose other millimeters. It has a 23 millimeter lens. Because it is a full ASPC sensor, it's a 35 millimeter equivalent lens. So it's pretty much fixed at 35 millimeter. And in that case, I think that's the perfect focal range for street photography, and it keeps it simple. On that note, having a hold of the Fuji X100V is pretty minimalistic. It's pretty, at least I have the black one here. They also have a silver one. It's pretty minimalistic camera, pretty stealthy camera because it's full black. I think the design is really cool. I like the way it's designed quite a bit. I love the tactile buttons on the top. On the back of the camera, you have the screen. I believe the prior Fujifilm X100 series was the X100F, and the screen was fixed. In the X100V, the screen actually flips out. And in this case, I love doing this because when I do street photography, I like having the screen on a top angle like this. That way I can just look down. It makes me feel like I'm at least a little bit more stealthy. So I'm not sitting there, you know, in your face on the street focusing like this. I can take the camera screen, I can flip it down, and I can look straight down. The autofocus on this camera is also super fast. So if you see a shot and you want to take it, just hold that shutter down, it'll autofocus it and it'll get the shot that you're looking for. I haven't really had a moment where it hasn't really picked up on what I was trying to focus on. The optical viewfinder on this is pretty cool because it's hybrid. You can view straight through it if you want to. You can look through it with the frame lines that they have. It makes it feel like you're kind of on a rangefinder, if you will. Or you can switch it to the electronic viewfinder option that they have. So it's a screen that pops up in the viewfinder window that you would be able to view as well. You can also shoot this in 4K video, up to 30 frames a second. However, I don't really use it for that. I don't know if you would want to use it for that, especially if you want better audio capabilities. That being said, I mainly use this as my primary street photography camera. On the top, you have the shutter speed dial, where you can just click that, and I love the way it sounds. It's a pretty good tactile click. When you pull up on the shutter speed dial, you can manipulate the ISO settings as well. And then you can push down to select the ISO settings that you would like. I hope you enjoyed the overview of the X100V. I really just wanted to showcase A, how pretty the camera was, but B, I wanted to kind of showcase the best use case scenario for the X100V. I think street photography is in its DNA, and the reason I say that is because of the fixed lens, how fast the autofocus is, how stealthy it is, and then how you can flip the lens. Because in street photography, you're gonna find that you're gonna want the opportunity to get either lower angles or just interesting angles that you haven't been able to accomplish with a fixed back. That's the end of my video today. I hope you really enjoyed it. In the comment section below, please let me know what you think about the X100V, whether you have it and you like it, and what you like about it, or if you're interested in getting it. If you have any additional questions in regard to it, that would be cool. Also, if you like that video, please go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Bye.